Hey everyone, it's Rehmani here, and I hope you're all doing well. Today, we're going to talk about the power that's within us, and that is called resilience. Have you ever had one of those moments where you just feel like the odds are totally against you? Yep, I sure have. Been there, done that. Next page. But here's a little secret. Resilience is not about avoiding or ignoring these tough times. It's about bouncing back from them and hold on strong. But hold on, there's a cool and effective technique that helps us bounce back even better, and that is called cognitive restructuring. Sounds like a mouthful, doesn't it? I know. But it's basically about adjusting our perspective and the way we approach the situation. Just imagine turning stumbling blocks into stepping stones. That's the heart of cognitive restructuring. See, challenges can either bog us down or propel us forward. It's all about how we view them and how we react to them. So, let's embrace the challenges, shift our perspective, and discover the strength we never knew we had. So, my friends, we're all in this journey together. Share your resilience stories in the comments below. So remember, my friends, resilience is a journey we're all on. If you're open and want to know what we do online and get access to more tools, strategies, and support to navigate life's ups and downs, head over to freedomlifebusiness.com and opt into my email to stay in touch with me and receive more value like this on a daily basis and receive a free gift from me. It's a treasure trove of resources dedicated to helping you live freely in life and in business. Dive in, discover your strength, and let's grow together. Remember, resilience is your superpower. Always make it a great day, and remember to always go for your dreams. God bless. Bye for now.